Hey guys, welcome to my new tutorial. I love this look so much. I really love glowy skin, as you would know if you follow me. And so the first thing I'm going to go in with is the iconic London Water Mist, which is great just to give a really nice glowy radiant start to the skin. And then I'm using the Nars Radiance Primer. I love using Lucas Paw Paw Ointment on the lips, and then I use the Maybelline Touch of Light Illuminizing Face Glow just to give the skin even more glow. I love MAC paint pot, so here I'm using Layin Low all over the lid and then blending it out with a 217 blending brush by MAC. And then I went in with the MAC concealer in NC30 along the brow bone just to really make that really nice and clean line. I love using the heat palette by Urban Decay, so here I'm using the colour Sourced and I'm using it all over the eyelids with the 217 MAC brush. I then start using a colour called Low Blow with a smaller brush on the outer of the lids and blend that out. Another product I absolutely love is the MAC pigment. So here I'm using the Gold Mode pigment and I'm wetting a flat brush with the MAC Fix Plus spray and I'm placing that on the inner of the eyelids, and by using that Fix Plus spray it really helps to make that pigment more metallic looking. So with that same 217 fluffy brush, I'm taking the colour He Devil eyeshadow through the crease just to deepen it a little bit. Here I'm using a little bit of Ounce eyeshadow on the brow bone and also the inner tear ducts. For eyeliner, I am using Richground Fluidline by MAC and I'm using the My Liner brush by My Kitco. I then take a small fluffy brush and blend that line out. I then took a black gel liner, which I am trying out at the moment, and I used it on the tight line and the waterline. I then used the MAC Carbon eyeshadow on the outer base of the top lashes and just blended that out using a flat definer brush. I'm next taking my favourite metallic eyeshadow, which is called Bronzonce by Australis, hard to say that one, and I pressed it with my middle finger on the centre of the lids. Using my Tweezerman mascara guard, I place it above the lashes and I'm using the MAC False Lash Extreme Black Mascara, which I really love. So here I'm taking some more of that colour called Low Blow and blending that underneath the bottom lashes. So I love applying false lashes. So these are the Modelrock lashes in Royal Valentine and I'm sticking them down to the lash line using a duo glue. So one of my favourite foundations to get like a really nice dewy glowy look is Face and Body, so here I'm using the colour C3. So for concealer I'm using the Studio Finish Concealer palette by MAC and I'm taking the colour NW25 and I'm using it under the eyes with a damp Beautyblender and just putting it anywhere where it's needed, so under the eyes and on any redness of any kind. So if you're looking for a really nice powder, I love this powder. This is the Mineralize Skin Finish by MAC. Here is the colour Medium Golden and I'm just using it anywhere that needs to be set and to avoid any oiliness. And then I go in with the Bronze Bronzer by MAC and I'm just using it around the hairline, under the cheekbones, just to really give a really nice bronzed look. So for the contour, I'm using the MAC Sculpt Sculpting Powder and I'm using the 168 angled contour brush to do that with. So for this look I really wanted a peachy cheek tone, so I am using the Naturally Flawless blush, which is a mineral blush by MAC. So next I am taking the colour Sugar Cookie powder and that's by Huda Beauty and I'm using a damp beauty blender and putting that underneath the eyes and underneath the cheekbones just to set. So I got set this beautiful metallic highlighter by Maybelline in the number 100 Molten Gold. So I'm using on the top of the cheekbones, down the middle of the nose and on the cupid's bow of the lip. So for the brows on this look, I use Cabral in the number 4 by Benefit, and I use that to just really shape her eyebrows and make them look more fuller. So the brush I'm using here actually comes with the product, and it's such a good brush. It's really defining and it just makes it easy because it's all compact. So to set the brows, I am using Blade Brow Soap, and I like to wet the disposable mascara wand with a little bit of Fix Plus before applying the product. So before applying lip products, I sometimes like to use the MAC Lip Erase. It just helps to even out the lips before we apply any lip colour. And then this is Oh Honey Lip Liner. And then the lip colour I chose to use was the MAC Honey Love Lipstick with the Love Nectar Lip Gloss over top. So to finish this look, I have gone in with the Iconic London Water Mist, and this helps just to set everything in place. And then I'm using that same highlighter that I used on her face on her décolletage just to give it a really, really nice glow. Here is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I hope you love it too. So if you love this, please give it a like and also subscribe so you can see more of my future videos.